Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Philips Hue to Home Assistant with Zigbee step by step clearly. To connect Philips Hue to Home Assistant using Zigbee, first ensure you have the necessary devices. You need a Philips Hue bridge, Philips Hue lights, and a Zigbee integration on your Home Assistant setup. Begin by setting up your Philips Hue bridge. Plug in the bridge and connect it to your Wi-Fi router using an Ethernet cable. Wait for the bridge to power on and initialize. Once the bridge is ready, download and install the Philips Hue app on your smartphone. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to create an account or log in. In the app, tap on the settings icon and select Bridge Settings. Make sure your Philips Hue bridge is updated to the latest firmware version. Now, turn on your Philips Hue lights and add them to the bridge using the app. Select lights from the app and tap Add Light. The app should automatically discover your lights. Once found, confirm the addition of each light. Next, move to your Home Assistant interface. Log into your Home Assistant instance on your computer or device. Navigate to the Configuration section in the sidebar. Click on Integrations and search for Zigbee. If you are using a Zigbee USB stick, ensure it's plugged into your server. Select the Zigbee integration, then follow the instructions to install it. After installation, return to the Integrations page and configure the Zigbee settings. Make sure to choose the correct radio type corresponding to your Zigbee adapter. Next, check that your Zigbee integration is active and connected. Now, go back to your Philips Hue Bridge app. In the app, select the settings icon again and then Remote Access. Enable Remote Access to allow Home Assistant to connect to your Philips Hue bridge. Return to Home Assistant and set up the Philips Hue integration. Search for Philips Hue in the Integrations section and select it. Input the IP address of your Philips Hue bridge when prompted. You might be asked to press the physical button on your Hue bridge for confirmation. Once connected, Home Assistant will automatically discover your added Philips Hue lights. Check if all the lights are listed under the Philips Hue integration in Home Assistant. You can now control your Philips Hue lights directly through Home Assistant. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.